Hello everyone, welcome everyone to the class of CE100 84 engineers. So for academic years 2020. So for today's talk, I would like to explain you some information about this course in this semester. So first of all, it is about the credit for CE100 course. The credit is 0 credit. So this course is very special. It is different from the normal course in this semester. So for every year at the end of this course, all students have to go outside Thammasat University and then take the communication with the people staying in Ayutthaya province or Pathum Thani province, and then ask the people about the problem from their community, their society. And at the end, finally, all students have to do the volunteer activities or project based on engineering concept or engineering skill to help and solve their problems. Anyway, for this year, because of COVID-19 pandemic, we have to change the CE100 course to be only the online course or online activities, but we still hoped that this online activity is in this semester will be useful for all students. Okay, please see the course description. So the course description for this course is ethical issue relevant to the engineering profession, potential impact of technology transfer and implementation with respect to society and its members, potential problems that may arise are studied along with the possible ways prevent them from occurring and ways to deal with them once they occur. So these pictures are the pictures that the students goes to the society, to community around Thammasat University and help them to solve their problems. Okay, about the grading for this course, you will get only 2 grades between S satisfactory or U unsatisfactory. So I hope that you guys will get A's after finish this semester. Okay, so for the next slide, I would like to introduce you about the lecturer and the staff for this course. First of all, it is the lecturer. The lecturer for this course is myself. So Ajahn Veerachai Aswa Methapan. So I am the Deputy Dean for Student Affairs, and this is my email address. So in case you want to contact me to ask about the question about this course, you can send a message to this email address, or you can use the MS Team and then can ask many questions by using that applications. So you can ask me directly, or you can ask the staff for this course. Okay, please see the picture for the staff for this course. So there are 4 the staff from Student Affairs staff. So the first person is พี่หนึ่ง or พี่กิตวัฒน์ใจกล้า. So this is the email address for พี่หนึ่ง. And the next one is พี่จอย or คุณจันทรจิราจอมเดช. So พี่จอย is the Student Affairs staff for TU Pi student. And the next one from Tape and Order. So the first person is พี่ปุ้ย or คุณกนกพรคงนาค. So this is the email of พี่ปุ้ย. And the last person is พี่นุกกี้ so or พี่อนุชาพิมเสน. So if you want to send the email to พี่นุกกี้, you can send to this email address. So in case you have some questions about this course, or when you need some help to solve your problems in your life, in your study, please don't hesitate to contact all of us. Okay, the next point is about the mistake in enrollment. So recently there are some mistake problems about an enrollment. So many students take enrollment in the wrong sections. So please remember that. So for the Thai program students, you have to take an enrollment in this section. 00001. And for you guys, the TEP and auto student, so please remember that for TEP and TEP student, please enroll in section 750001 only. And for auto student, please enroll in this section 77001 only. So it's the very important information. And for the last one at the right hand side is the section for TUPI students. So from section 74002, 76001 and 74001. But for all of you, please enroll in 750001 or 77001. So this is very important. Okay, for the objective of this year course. So due to the COVID-19 pandemic from last year, so we have to change the objective of CE100 class a little bit. So it becomes like this. The first one is to educate about the impact of social engineering aspect, ethics for engineering job, and learn about ethics for students. So this is very important. So this is the main objective for this course. The next one is to motivate and provide students with techniques and allow students to learn from successful alumni experience. And the next one is to educate students on the topic of stress management. Right now, the stress is the big problems for our students. So we have that after you guys watch the videos clips about the stress management, you can do better in the real stressful situation in your life. And the next one is about this one. So to provide students with techniques and online learning methods. Because now you have to study from the online, so you have to know the new technique and the learning method to improve your skill for the online study. And the next one is to educate students on the topic of ethics of engineers and the methods of obtaining the engineering license. So this is the most important objective for this course. And the next one is to educate students about engineering innovation to solve COVID-19 problems. So you can you can study about the innovation from the lecturer from our TSE to help the COVID-19 problems. And the next one is to inspire and educate students on application of engineering knowledge on problem in daily life. And the last objective is share the successful experience in career and working life in the future. Okay, please see the next slide. The next slide is about the activity schedule. So for this year, we have 7 activities in this semester. Okay, let's see the first activities. The first activity is the class introduction. So this means what I am doing right now. So it is the class introduction or the course introduction. So the date for the first activity is, it is today. It is on the 3rd of February 2021, and it is the Wednesday. So it is started from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. via MS Team or the YouTube channel. And the speaker is myself, Ajahn Virachai Aswa Metapan. So after listen this presentation, and you will get 10 points. Anyway, please see these files. You can see more information about today's activities. So as I told you that for today's activities, the activity is the course introduction. So the activity description is the online lecture about the course in general and question and answer session. So it will be done from P1 after I finish this presentation. So you will get 10 points, and so it is done by TSE Student Affairs. Okay, and for the next one, so for the second activities, so you have to watch the video interview on the topics 30 years TSE, Thammasat School of Engineering alumnus and successes. So the date for second activity is on the 6th of February 2021. So it is on Saturday and from 12 o'clock. So the channel is from the MS team or the YouTube channel. The speaker for this activity is the alumni of TSE, Thammasat School of Engineering. And after you watch the video interviews on 30 years TSE alumni success, you will get 15 points. However, in order to get 15 points, you have to do the online quiz and evaluation on the 10th of February 2021 at 7 o'clock p.m. Okay, please see more information about second activities. So the objective for this activity is to motivate and provide students with techniques and to allow students to learn from successful alumni experience. So students will view a video interviews of TSE successful alumni on YouTube to provide motivations and information which will help students plan their future careers. Okay, the online lecture is on the 6th of February, and in order to get 15 points, you have to do the online quiz and online evaluation on the 10th of February 2021 from 7 o'clock p.m. Okay, for the third activity, so it is the presentation about the stress management. So as I told you that we hope that after finish watch the video clips about the state management, you guys can do better in the real stressful situation in your life. Okay, and for this topic, the date is on the 27th of February 2021, and the time is the same, 12 o'clock. So please change the time here to be 12 o'clock. And the channel to get this topic or this information is from the MS team and from the YouTube channel. And the speaker is Ajahn Apichat Lojana Hasdin. So he is the lecturer in clinical psychology, Faculty of Liberal Arts, Thammasat University. And he is also the licensed clinical psychologist, and he is the Viva City manager as well. So after you watch the video about the state management, you will get 15 points, and the same, you have to do the online quiz and online evaluation on the 3rd of March 2021 at 7 o'clock p.m. Okay, for the third activity, so the objective is to educate students on, to educate students on the topic of stress management and to build a network where students could look after their friends. And here is the information for the online lecture and for the online quiz and evaluation that I just told you. And for the next one, the fourth activities, so it is the special online lecture on new normal education. So the date for this activity is on the 27th March 2021 and from 12 o'clock. So the channel is the same from the MS team and the YouTube channel. And here the speaker, what about the speaker? The speaker is the alumni from Tepe program. So the speaker is Kun Nontawut Shivasi Rungrung. So he is the alumni for Tepe and also students, and he is the air traffic controller assistant to Aeronautical Radio of Thailand, and he is the instructor company in Thalapia. And after you watch after you study the online lecture from this topic, you will get 15 points, and again you have to do the online quiz and evaluation on the 31st of the March 2021. So it is on Wednesday, and it is 9 o'clock p.m. And the next activities is about the special online lecture on ethics of engineer and engineering license. So this is the most important topic. So this is the most important activities for this course. So the date for this special online lecture on the 10th of April 2021, and from the same time 12 o'clock, and you can get the video from the MS team and the YouTube channel. And the speaker is the speaker from the Council of Engineers Thailand. And after you watch this the lecture, you can get 15 points, and again you have to do the online quiz and assignment. So the online quiz is on the 17th of the April 2021 from again the same time 7 o'clock p.m. Okay, please see more information about these activities. So the objective is to educate students on the topic of ethics of engineers, and the next one is to educate students on methods of obtaining the engineering license. So this is the date for the online lecture and the online quiz that I just mentioned, just told you. And the next one is the special online lecture on COVID-19 innovations. So this is very perfect for our situation right now. So the date for this LT is on the 24th of April 2021, and at the same time 12 o'clock from the same channel, MS Team or YouTube. Who is the speaker for these activities? The speaker for this activity is Associate Professor Dr. Nopadol Vichai Pichat. So he is the Deputy Dean for Innovation Programs Management. And again, you will get 15 points after listen the lecture from Dr. Nopadol. And you have to do the online quiz and assignment on the 28th of April 2021 on Wednesday from 7 o'clock p.m. And for the last activity, for the last presentation, it is the special online lecture on what skills do engineering employment look for. This is also important because you have to prepare some things after you graduate from TSE. So what skill do engineer employment look for? So this is what you have to understand. The date is on the 8th of May 2021, and the time is changed from 12 o'clock to be 7 o'clock p.m. So from the channel of MS Team on the YouTube. And the speaker is also the alumni from TEPEN Auto Program. So the speaker is คุณกฤษดาพงษ์เหลืองวงศ์ไพศาล P. Kisnapong is the process engineering sales lead from this company. And okay, from the point after you watch the video about what skill do engineer employment look for, you will get 15 points after you did the online quiz on the 12th of May 2021 on Wednesday at again 7 o'clock p.m. Okay, and for the last one, so it is about the grading criteria. So as I told you that we have two grades, S or U. So S means you can pass the course, U means you fail the course. So the total point is 100 points from 7 activities. So you can get 100 points from participation in lectures and online quiz and assignments. So the total point is 100 points. If you get the score more than 65, you will pass the course, you will get A's. However, if you get the point below 65 points, you will get U, or you will fail from this course. The student who got grade in U need to re-enrollment or re-study in the next semester. So please try to do the best about the online quiz and online assessment to get the point more than 65 and to get the S the grade in S at the end of this course. Okay, and for every week, every activity you need to do the online quiz and assessment. We will provide the QR code for scan to do the quiz and assignment. Anyway, for all information about the QR code for scan to get the quiz and assignment, พี่หนึ่งกิตวัฒน์ will give you more information from the Microsoft team. Okay, this is all information that I would like to explain you for the first presentation for today's presentation. So I hope all of you will understand what you have to do for CE100 course during this semester. Anyway, if you have more information, if you have more questions, you can ask the questions to us via the MS team or via the email address that I gave you. And finally, thank you very much for your attention and see you again next activities. Okay, thank you and goodbye.